Good morning everyone. My name is Nitin and today we are going to study the number system furthermore. So the first question that we are going to do today is the following numbers are rational or irrational? You have to tell me whether these numbers are rational or irrational. Firstly, under root 2. Secondly, under root 9. Thirdly, under root 115. Then under root 169. Then 2 plus under root 3. Sixth, 7 plus under root 4. Seventh, 9 minus under root 3 plus under root 3 minus 4. Eighth, under root 4 plus under root 3 minus 2 plus under root 3. Now, let us see the first question. Here the number is under root. Any number inside under root is always a rational number. So here it will be irrational number. Any number inside the under root is irrational number. But here, despite being 9 inside the under root, it is rational because 9 here is perfect square. This means 3 square is equal to 9. And when we do the under root of 9, it is 3. That's why under root 9 is 3 and it is a rational number. Now let us see here. Is 115 is a perfect square? The answer is no. So this number is irrational number. Now under root 169 is square of 13. So it is also a rational number. Now moving forward to question number 5. Here we cannot add these two terms because 2 is rational here and 3 is irrational here. We just have to tell that is this number, whole number, is rational or irrational. So always remember, if you are adding, subtracting or even multiplying any rational number with irrational number, it will always be a irrational number. Moving forward to question number 6 as well. 7 is rational, but under root 4 is also rational because 4 is square of 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. This is rational because 7 is rational here and under root 4 is also rational because 4 here is a perfect square number. Now moving forward, we have to solve this equation first. 9 minus under root 3, take the plus sign inside the bracket, that is plus under root 3 minus 4. You can cut down under root 3 under root 3. So the answer will be 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 and we all know that 5 is an rational number. Now moving forward, we have under root 4 plus under root 3. Under root 4 is 2 because 4 is perfect square. So plus under root 3, take this minus inside the bracket, you will get minus 2 minus under root 3. This under root and under root will cut down and 2 minus 2 is 0 and we all know that 0 is an rational number. Any doubt? Now let us move forward and solve some more examples of this. Is this a rational number or not? Let us see the first example. Here we can see that it is 2 multiplied by under root 7 divided by under root 7. You can simply just cut off under root 7 of numerator by denominator. You will get the answer 2 here. So we already know that 2 is an rational number. Any doubt? Now here we can cut this 3 with this 9. We will get 1 upon 3. We will get under root 3 upon 3. Here this 3 is rational, but this under root 3 is irrational. So this number will be irrational number. Now moving forward, this 8 is 8 under root 7. We can write this 14 as 2 multiplied by 7. You will get 8 under root 7 divided by under root 2 into under root 7. This 7 under root 7 and under root 7 are going to be cut out, and you are gonna left with 8 under root 2. 8 is rational here, but under root 2 is irrational. So this number is an irrational number. Any doubt? Now moving forward, here we cannot solve this problem. So since by looking at this you can get under root 3 in both the cases are irrational number, so it is going to be an irrational number. Here we can just chop off this under root 3 of numerator by under root 3 of denominator, and you will get the answer 4, that is an rational number. Now seeing here, you can write 8 under root 2, here 4 into 2. Now rest of the question is I am going to solve here. You have 8 under root 2, then under root 4 into under root 2. You are going to cut this under root 2 by this under root 2, and you are left with 8. Since we know that under root 4 is an rational number because 4 is the perfect square number here. So you gonna get 2 here, because under root of 4 is the square of 2. So under root 4 is 2. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. So your answer is 4, that is a rational number. Any doubt? Now let us solve some other type of question now. So the question is simplify first question, that is under root 3 plus under root 3 multiplied by 2 plus under root 2. How we are going to solve this? Firstly, take the first number of this bracket, that is 3. You are going to multiply this 3 with this whole bracket. You will get what you will get 2 plus under root 2. Then you have to write the sign that is present in between first bracket here, that is plus. Then write the second term, that is under root 3, and in bracket you are going to write the second bracket again, because this number is going to be multiplied with this bracket also. So multiply the number, that is 3 into 2 is 6, plus 3 into under root 2 is 3 under root 2, plus under root 3 into 2 is 2 under root 3, and then under root 3 into under root 2. You're gonna get 6 plus 3 under root 2 plus 2 under root 3. Here 2 and 3 are both going to be multiplied because both the number are a under root. So you're gonna get under root 3 into 2. You will get 6 plus 3 under root 2 plus 2 under root 3 plus under root 6 is the answer of this question. Any doubt? Now moving forward, we will solve one more or two more example of this. That is simplify 3 plus under root 3 into 3 minus under root 3. we are going to solve this question in two ways. Firstly by property and then by simple method that we have used in our previous question. Firstly, what is the property that we are going to use here? A plus B multiplied by A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. A here is 3 and B here is under root 3. A is 3 and B is under root 3. So let us apply this property, that is A square minus B square. We are going to get 3 square, that is 9, minus under root 3 is 3 because you gonna cut the square with under root. So you will get the answer 6 here. Any doubt? Now let us move forward and solve this question with previous method. 3 plus under root 3 into 3 minus under root 3. You are going to take the first term and multiply it with the second bracket, that is 3 into 3 minus under root 3. Now write the sign of first bracket here, that is in between two terms, that is plus, and then write the second term and the bracket as it is. So you will get 3 into 3, that is 9. Here 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Now 3 into under root 3 is 3 under root 3. Plus under root 3 into 3 is 3 under root 3. Always write the rational number first and then write the irrational number. And under root 3 multiplied by under root 3. We are going to have 9. You can just chop off these minus 3 under root 3 plus 3 under root 3 because they are same terms with opposite signs. Just like plus 9 minus 9, you will get 0 because these both are same terms with opposite sign. You will get 9 minus 3 into 3, that is 9 minus under root 9. You will get 9. 9 is a perfect square number, so you will have the answer 3 here, and 9 minus 3 is 6. Any doubt? Now let us solve one more example of it. The last example will be under root 5 plus under root 2 square. We are going to use two different ways to solve this, and whatever you like you can choose that one. First we are going to use the property here, that is A plus B's whole square. You will get A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here A is under root 5 and B is under root 2. So just put the value of A and B here, that is under root 5's whole square plus under root 2 whole square plus 2 into under root 5 into under root 2. You will get under root 5 square, that is 5, under root 2 square, that is 2, and 2 into, take the whole bracket and multiply these two numbers, that is 5 into 2. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 2 into under root 10 will be our answer. Any doubt? Now let us solve this with simple way. Since we know that A square is equal to A into A. So here 5 plus 2 under root 5 plus 2 under root square will be equal to under root 5 plus under root 2 multiplied by under root 5 plus under root 2. Now take the first number here, that is under root 5, and multiply it with second bracket under root 5 plus under root 2. Now take the sign of first bracket here, that is plus, and write the second term here, that is under root 2 into under root 5 plus under root 2. Under root 5 into under root 5, that is under root 5 into under root 5 plus under root 5 into under root 2 plus under root 2 into under root 5 plus under root 2 into under root 2. under root 5 into under root 5 is 5 because it will be the under root 5 square, and you can just chop off this under root with square. Here under root 5 into under root 2, you are going to multiply this 5 into 2, that is 5 into 2 is 10, so the answer will be under root 10. Same here, 2 into 5 is under root 10, 2 under root 2 into 2 under root 2 is, under root 2 into under root 2 is under root 2 square, that is chop off the square with under root, and you will get 5 plus 1 into under root 10 and 1 into under root 10, that is 2 under root 10 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus under root 2, 10 will be our answer. Any doubt? Now let us solve one more example of this type of question, so that we can cover all the formulas. That is, what if someone has asked you to solve 2 minus under root 3 whole square? We are going to solve this question as well in two ways. That is, firstly by formula way, that is, what formula here we are going to use, that is a minus b square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a is 2 and b is under root 3. Now let us take here a, that is 2 square plus under root 3 square minus 2 into 2 and under root 3. So you will get 2 square is 4. Chop this square with under root, you will get the answer 3 minus, here look at this. This is rational and this is rational and this is irrational. In previous case, you have a situation like under root 3 into under root 2. Here this is rational, this is irrational and this is irrational. Always multiply irrational irrational or rational rational. You will get 2 under root 6 here, but here you are going to get 4 under root 3 because rational number are going to be multiplied and the irrational number are going to be written as it is here. So you will get 4 plus 3, that is 7 minus 4 under root 3. Any doubt? Now let us solve this with the basic thing, that is 2 minus under root 3 square equal to 2 minus under root 3 into 2 minus under root 3. So write the first term as it is and the second term here, so that this 2 is going to be multiplied with all this bracket. Then write the middle sign here, that is minus, and then write the next term here. You will have to write the second bracket here as well. 2 into 2 is 4. Here you will get minus 2 under root 3. Here you will get 2 under root 3 minus 2 under root 3. Minus minus are going to be plus because this minus is also being infiltrating in this bracket. Minus minus is going to be plus under root 3 into under root 3. Here you will get 4 minus 2 under root 3 minus 2 under root 3 are going to be added because both have same sign. So this is going to be 4 under root 3 plus under root 3 into under root 3 is 3. You will get 4 plus 3, that is 7 minus 4 under root 3. Any doubt? Based on this, I am going to give you some homework or practice question, so you will have the better knowledge of this type of question. First question is going to be minus 2 minus 5 square, 2 minus under root 5 square. Second question is 3 plus under root 3 square. Third question will be 4 plus under root 7 square. Fourth question will be 2 minus under root 3 into 2 plus under root 3. And the fifth question is going to be 4 plus under root 3 into under root 3 plus under root 2. Any doubt? Now let us move forward and solve some question, that is represent under root 2 or under root 3 or under root 4, sorry, not under root 4, because under root 4 is equal to 2, and 2 centimeter you can easily represent with the help of square. Under root 5 or under root 6, how we are going to represent these in the form of diagram? So let me show you. Firstly, you have to take a scale. Let it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have a scale of 6 centimeter. Let us assume that. Firstly, fix the length that you are going to use in this scale. Here I am letting it 2 centimeter. So take a baseline of 2 centimeter here, or you can just write 1 unit in place of 2 centimeter here. Now take your D and place it at this point. So the D is going to be placed like this, and you will see a 90-degree angle here, and make a small point here. Then replace your D and make a perpendicular line of 2 centimeter here as well. Always remember, if you are taking here 2 centimeter, this distance should also be of 2 centimeter. If you are taking it here 3 centimeter, this distance should always be 3 centimeter. 4 centimeter here, then 4 centimeter here also, and it should be perpendicular. These two lines should be perpendicular. Name it as A, B and C. After making this line of 2 centimeter here, you are going to join AC and represent AC as under root 2. Any doubt? Here AC is under root 2. Any doubt? Good. Now how we are going to represent under root 3 here? Now take your scale, and now I am taking 2 centimeter distance also, but not writing it 2 centimeter. I am going to write here 1 unit. But the distance in actual form in our copy, the baseline should be of 2 centimeter. Now do the same. Place your D here. Take 90-degree angle here of, and represent this perpendicular line of 2 centimeter also, and write 1 unit here as well. Now if this is AB and this is BC, you're gonna join AC and you will have under root 2 here, just like the previous case. Now how you are going to represent under root 3 here? Now take this point, subtend this line a little more, and based on this line place your D here, just like this, and the point will be here. Take the 90-degree angle of it. So you will take 90-degree angle here, join these 2 points, and take the distance here 2 centimeter as well, and write it as 1 unit. Now name this point D and join this AD. This is under root 3 that we are talking about. Any doubt? Now if you have to represent under root 4, you have to repeat this process again and again. That is, extend this line, take perpendicular here of 2 centimeter as well, and then join these 2 points and name it E, so it will be under root 4. If you have to represent under root 5 here, what you are going to do? Take D and make a 90-degree angle here, and suspend this line of 2 centimeter here, and join this point with A and represent it as F. So you will get under root 5 here. Any doubt? That's how you can represent under root 2, under root 3, under root 4, or even under root 5 on your copy. Any doubt? Now let us solve some other type of question, that is rationalize the number. What if you have to rationalize 1 upon under root 7? How you are going to rationalize this number? Firstly, see the denominator. The denominator is in under root, and rationalizing means that the denominator should be a rational number. How you are going to do so? Write 1 upon under root 7 as it is. See the denominator and multiply it with that number and divide it with that number 2. 1 multiplied by under root 7 is 7, and multiplying under root with same number in it 2 times will give you a number inside that bracket, inside that under root, that is 7. Or you can even write it as, or you have under root 7 divided by under root 7 into 7, that is under root 7 divided by under root 49. 49 is a perfect square of 7, so you will get the answer 7 under root 7 here. Any doubt? Similarly, represent 3 by under root 3 in the form, rationalize this number 3 upon under root 3. You will get 3 divided by under root 3 multiplied, what is the denominator? Under root 3. Multiply this number with under root 3 and divide it as well with under root 3. You will get 3 into under root 3 is 3 under root 3. 3 under root 3 into under root 3 is 3. You can cut this 3 and 3, you will get the answer under root 3 here. Any doubt? Now, moving forward, let us take some complex examples. What if you have to represent 1 upon under root 7 minus under root 6 and rationalize this number? How you are going to do so? First, write this number as it is and see the denominator. Now, the denominator consists of two terms, that is under root 7 and under root 6. Write these terms as it is, that is under root 7 and under root 6 divided by under root 7 and under root 6. You are going to change this sign, that is, if it is negative you are going to write plus and plus here. If it is positive you are going to write minus here. Now solve this. 1 into any number is 7 plus under root 6 because it remains the same number. Now dividing by, you will have 7 minus under root 6 multiply by under root 7 plus under root 6. You have 7 plus under root 6 divided by, here the property that we are going to use is a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. That is under root 7 square minus under root 6 square. So you will get under root 7 plus under root 6 divided by under root 7 square is 7 minus under root 6 square is 6. So you will have the answer under root 7 plus under root 6 divided by 7 minus 6 is 1. So you have got the answer under root 7 plus under root 6. Any doubt? Now let us solve one more example of this type. What if someone has asked you to represent 3 divided by 2 plus under root 3? Rationalize this number. You have to do, write 3 divided by 2 plus under root 3 as it is, multiply, what is the denominator? 2 plus under root 3. So write 2 under root 3 as it is and 2 under root 3 as it is. You have to change this sign plus into negative. So 3 multiplied by this number, you are going to write it as it is, 3 multiplied by 2 minus under root 3. Always take bracket up and down here because this number is going to be multiplied with this, divided by 2 plus under root 3 and 2 minus under root 3. In denominator, we are going to use a property, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So our answer will be 3 into 2 minus under root 3. We don't have to solve this numerator values because this is given in quite simple way. In denominator you have 2 square minus under root 3 square, that is 3 bracket 2 minus under root 3, 2 square is 4 minus under root 3 square is 3. So you will get the answer 3. 2 minus under root 3 divided by 4 minus 3 is 1. So you will get the answer 3 bracket on 2 minus under root 3. That's all for today's class. We are going to discuss some more topics in the upcoming class.